Students, in this question we have to prove that 4 points whose coordinates are 5 minus 1 1, 7 minus 4 7, 1 minus 6 10, and minus 1 minus 3 4 are the vertices of rhombus. Since we know that rhombus is a parallelogram in which all sides are equal and diagonals are not equal. So, if the 4 points are given and we have to prove that these are the vertices of a rhombus, so first we find out all the four sides. If all the four sides are equal, then we find out the diagonal of the rhombus, and if diagonals of this quadrilateral are not equal, so this is the rhombus. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर ये 4 पॉइंट गिवन है जिनको रोम्बस के वर्टिसेस प्रूफ करना है, एंड वी नो दैट द डेफिनेशन ऑफ रोम्बस all the four sides are equal and the diagonals are not equal. So first we find out here all four sides. आप सबसे पहले यहाँ पर चारों साइड्स फाइंड करेंगे, उसके बाद उसका डायगोनल फाइंड करेंगे. अगर डायगोनल इक्वल नहीं है और चारों साइड्स इक्वल है, दैट मीन्स ऑल दीज 4 पॉइंट्स are the points of are the vertices of rhombus. So first we here suppose that A point is 5 minus 1 1, B point is 7 minus 4 7. So find out here, and C point is 1 minus 6 10, and D point is minus 1 minus 3 4. So first we find out the distance between the vertices A and B. So that is AB is equal to, here we using distance formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. So we can see here, suppose A point is x1 y1 z1 and B point is x2 y2 z2. So we write here x2, that is 7, minus x1, that is 5 here. So 7 minus 5 whole square plus y2 is minus 4 here, minus y1 is minus 1, so this is minus 1 square plus z2 is here 7 minus z1 is 1, this is whole square. So 7 minus 5, this is 2 square, and minus 4, this minus multiplied by minus, this is plus square, and 7 minus 1, this is 6 square. So 2 square, this is 4, and minus 4 plus 1, this is minus 3 square, and 6 square. So we write here, this is 4 and minus 3 square, this is 9, and 6 square 36. So 36 plus 4, 40 plus 9, this is 49. So the square root of 49 is 7. So we can see here distance between the A points A and B is 7 units. Similarly, we find the distance between B and C point. So BC is here under root using distance formula, x2 minus x1 whole square. So 1 minus 7, here we write 1 minus 7 whole square plus y2 minus y1, that is minus 6 minus minus 4. So we write here minus 6 minus minus 4 whole square plus z2 minus z1, that is 10 minus 7 whole square. Now 1 minus 7, this is minus 6 whole square plus minus 6, and this minus multiplied by minus, this is plus whole square, at 10 minus 7, this is 3 square. So minus 6 square, this is 36, and minus 6 plus 4, this is minus 2 whole square plus 3 square, this is 9. And we know that minus 2 square, this is 4 plus 9. So 36 plus 4 plus 9, this is 49, and square root of 49 is 7 units. So this is the length of the side BC. BC is also 7 units. Now we find here distance between C and D point. So CD is equal to root of, here x1 y1 is the point of C, and x2 y2 are the points of D. So x2 minus x1, that is minus 1 minus 1. So minus 1 is square plus y2 minus y1, this is minus 3 and minus 6. So minus 3 minus 6 whole square plus z2 minus z1, that is 4 minus 10 whole square. So minus 1, this is minus 2 square plus here minus 3 and this minus multiplied by minus, we get plus 6 square, and 4 minus 10, this is minus 6 square. So minus 2 square, this is 4, and here minus 3 plus 6, that means 3 square, and minus 6 square, this is 36. So 3 square is 9 here, plus 36, so 36 plus 4, this is 40, plus 9, that is 49, and square root of 49 is 7 units. So we can also see that the length of the side CD is also 7 units. Now we find here DA, that is the distance between D and A point. Now we find here distance between D and A point. So DA equal to, here we use again formula, distance formula, that is dA is equal to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Suppose that x1 y1 z1 is the point D and x2 y2 z2 is the point A. So first we write here x2 minus x1, so 5 minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1, that is minus 1 minus 3 whole square plus z2 minus z1, that is 1 minus 4 whole square. So this becomes 5 and minus multiplied by minus, this is plus 1, and here minus 1, this minus multiplied by minus plus 3 square, and 1 minus 4, this is minus 3 square. So 5 plus 1, this is 6 whole square, minus 1 plus 3, this is 2 square plus minus 3 square, and 6 square equal to 36, 2 square equal to 4, and minus 3 square equal to 9. So 36 plus 4, this is 40, plus 9, this is 49. So square root of 49 is 7 units. So we can see here all the four sides AB, BC, CD, DA are equal. So here four sides AB, BC, CD and DA are equal and equal to 7. Now we find the diagonal, that is AC and BD. So we find here diagonal AC. So again use distance formula. So A, suppose A is point x1 y1 z1 and C is x2 y2 z2. So first we write x2 minus x1. So here we write 1 minus 5 whole square plus y2 minus y1, that is minus 6 minus 1 whole square plus z2 minus z1, that is 10 minus 1 whole square. So 1 minus 5 whole square, that is minus 4 whole square, and here minus 6, this minus multiplied by minus plus whole square, 10 minus 1, this is 9 square. So we can write this minus 4 square, this is 16, and here minus 6 plus 1, this is minus 5 whole square, and 9 square is 81. So we can write here 16 plus minus 5 square, this is 25 plus 81. Now adding all these we get 1 plus 5, this is 6 plus 6, 12, 2, 1 carry, 8, 1, 9, 2, 11, 1, 13. This is 132. 5, 6, 6, 2, 1, 9, 2, 11, 1, 12. 122. This is 125, 6, 12, 2. एक हासिल 8 1 9 और 2 11 1। This is 122. Now we find here the another diagonal, that is BD. So we find here BD also. So BD is here, we use under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Suppose that B is the point x1 y1 z1 and D is the point x2 y2 z2. So we write here minus 1 minus 7 whole square plus y2, that means this is minus 3 minus y1 is minus 4, this is whole square plus z2 minus z1. So this is 4 minus 7 whole square. Now this minus 1 and minus 7 gives minus 8 whole square plus this is minus 3 and this minus multiplied by minus gives plus 4 minus 7, this is minus 3. Now minus 8 square, this is 64 plus here minus 3 plus 1, this is 1. So 1 square is 1 and minus 3 square is 9 here. So we can see here this, we can see here this is, we can see here this is 64 plus 1 plus 9. So this becomes 65 plus 9. So this is 9 plus 5 14, 4 1 carry. So this is 74. Here we can see that the diagonals are not equal. That means these points are not the vertices of here we can see that AC, diagonal AC and BD are equal. So AC equal to BD, this shows that all sides are equal and diagonals are not equal. Diagonals are not equal, that means these all points are the vertices of rhombus. Thus all 4 points are the vertices of rhombus. आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर इसमें AB, BC, CD और DA ये ऑल 4 साइड्स 7 यूनिट है, यानी चारों साइड्स इक्वल है। और डायगनल्स AC और BD ये इक्वल नहीं है। जैसे डायगनल स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 122 है और दूसरा डायगनल रूट 74 है। दैट मीन्स ऑल दीज टू डायगनल्स आर नॉट इक्वल। इफ डायगनल्स आर आल्सो इक्वल, सो these are the points of the square, but diagonals are not equal, so this shows that all these given 4 points are the vertices of rhombus. Thank you.